In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find all muted Instagram profiles. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, and you might have muted some Instagram profiles, some stories, posts, reels or notes. And now let me show you how you can easily find all muted profiles at one place. So all you have to do is just go to your profile, then tap at menu icon, then select settings. On settings, tap at privacy. Then scroll down until you find muted accounts. Just tap on it. That will show you all your muted accounts, and from here you will be able to unmute that accounts. All you have to do is just go to their profile, then hit at following, then tap at mute, and there you will be able to select which type of content you would like to mute, and then in that simple way, by toggling on or off that switchers, you can mute some specific type of content, or you can even unmute this user. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.